Welcome to Cway. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use comment markers in the Viewer app to provide precise feedback and streamline your artwork review process. To start, click the New Comment button. This opens a comment box where you can write your feedback and use markers to highlight specific areas of your artwork. The marker tool lets you pinpoint areas that need attention. Choose from different types of markers to best suit your feedback needs. Rectangular marker, great for marking large sections. Round marker, useful for highlighting smaller, circular areas. Line marker, perfect for underlining or pointing to something. Pin marker, ideal for precise, pinpointed corrections. Measurement line marker, helps indicate length or spacing issues. Measurement rectangle marker, use this for measuring specific areas. Need to highlight multiple areas? No problem. Simply click on the same or another marker and place as many as necessary to make your feedback clear. Made a mistake? You can easily delete a marker by clicking the gray trash can icon next to it. Once you're satisfied with your comment and markers, click Submit to finalize your feedback. Now, whenever you click on a comment, the corresponding marker will be highlighted. And when you hover over a marker on the artwork, the associated comment will appear instantly.